Here's a video update. We finished the radiant system with the exception of, if you can look at the manifolds over here. We're waiting for one or two fittings to arrive in the mail today. Other than that, we're testing the pressure. You can see here, holding at 60 psi. Again, 60 psi, 60. We've got all the mesh down and the little plastic chairs, which are mesh ups. And in most of the areas, we have 3 runs. In the kitchen, we have only 2. All of our runs are somewhere around 200, 250 occasionally, and the short ones in the kitchen are, what, 120-ish, something like that. Let's see, what else? Over here, you can kind of see this one PEX pipe here that is not connected to anything. It's just taped on the end. That's for a sensor for the thermostat. We have one into each area that goes over to where the manifolds are. And we have heard that you can use weed whacker cord to push the sensor to the end. Hopefully that's true. We'll have to report on that later, how easy that is. And then over here, where did I put it? Here it is. This is one of 4 grounding rods that grounds the mesh. So everything is all sealed up with foam. And we're ready, except for this one manifold to test before we can have the flat work guys come in and pour the slab for us. But we are super close, and it's going to be super exciting to get an actual floor. It's going to feel so much more like an actual house. Well, that's our update.